How to launch a watch company. Turn your hobby into income. Build a business doing what you love. By me, John Carsabay. Have you always contemplated starting a business because your idea is not innovative enough, or lack of resources, or too much competition? Is your aspiration to turn your passion and hobby into profitable business? Are you a creative entrepreneur with ambition to create something unique, valuable, and profitable? Do you love watches and dream of having your own watch brand? If you answered yes to all or any of these questions, then this course is a good start. By no means this course guarantees success, but what it does guarantee is equipping you with valuable information and positioning you in a better position to become successful. Learn all trade secrets directly from the source, how to launch and operate a watch company with great success. You will hear a lot. This industry is very competitive. This business is very hard to break into. This is too risky. At the end of the day, you will hear such things from people who are afraid of doing something on their own, and they're comforting themselves by asking others such debilitating questions. No business is easy. No industry is less competitive than the other. Competition is everywhere. The most successful entrepreneurs do not concern themselves with the competition, but rather develop their own strategies and let the competition study and copy them. In this course, ultimately, I share with you the secret sauce and how to use it. You would ask why? Well, simply because when I was doing my research and wanted to launch my first watch collection, I had wished that there was someone to share this information with me, let alone have a material like this. I'm a strong believer in spreading the wealth, and knowledge is the ultimate wealth to me. If my knowledge helps someone become more successful, then I consider that a far greater success than selling out on my next collection, for example. At the end of the day, information in this course will be a great starting point, and will help you avoid some of the mistakes that I've made. The rest is up to you, and how to use this information to become the ultimate success. So who is John? You're probably wondering who is the instructor and what makes him qualified to teach us such important and niche course. Very good question. There's a picture of me in my fancy suit trying to look all important. The reason I like that photo is because you can easily see one of the watches that I've created. So let me briefly tell you about myself, my experience, and qualifications, as well as the motivation behind me deciding to create this course. I'm a serial entrepreneur, investor, and currently CEO of AOG Enterprises, which holds a portfolio of several watch companies such as Amir Watches, Stranger Watches, and the Miami Watch Company, which is the parent manufacturing company, as well as other leading brands as El Mostacho Tequila, which is a distiller of premium tequila and spirits, Sana Moda, which is the manufacturer of high-end women's dress shirts, and the leading cloud-based social networking platforms in Central Asia, Mumkin.com. I'm also executive consultant for Fortune 500 companies as part of the AMA MCE, where I consult the executives of top companies on leadership, project management, and company growth strategies. All other stuff you could probably find on Google, LinkedIn, or any other social networking sites. My passion for motivation, startups, and entrepreneurship has led me to an idea of creating a unique course where I would share my knowledge with aspiring entrepreneurs who want to break into the watch industry. I'm a strong believer in knowledge sharing, and I'm confident that spreading your knowledge wealth will only lead to more opportunities and greater network, rather than being afraid of new competition or trying to hold on to your secrets. So that's the 10,000-foot overview about myself. If you have any other questions, comments, or just simply want to say hello, please drop me a note. I would love to stay connected. I sincerely hope that you enjoy this course, and I look forward to sharing my knowledge and experience with you. Let's get the show on the road.